Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing really great. Today we are going to discuss about volatility index, which is also known as VIX. We are going to see what VIX actually is, how it affects the market, and how we can define the range of the market based on VIX only. Not only that, we are also going to discuss how we can take profitable trades by just looking at the VIX only. First of all, what is VIX? Volatility index is a measure of market's expectation of volatility over the near term. More the volatility is, more ups and downs will be there in the market. So this is just a Google definition. I'll explain you in very simple words. If volatility is higher, the market will move very frequently up and down. And if volatility is lower, the market will most probably remain range bound, and that is why VIX is often referred as fear index, and it is also calculated in the real time. So like Nifty is getting updated in the real time, Nifty and Bank Nifty, VIX also gets updated in the real time during market hours. How VIX affects the market? The more the VIX is, the more fear is there in the market. So if VIX is moving up, the fear is increasing. That is why I also said that VIX is known as fear index. It is a measure of fear present in the market. So if fear is increasing, VIX would move up. As a result, market will go down. And if VIX decreases, fear will go down, and as a result, market will go up. Basically, the conclusion is if VIX is red, market would be green, and if VIX is green, market would be red. That's all we need to know for taking a profitable trade in the market. Now let's see how to trade based on VIX. VIX normal range is 15 to 21, and we have already established that if VIX is green, market would be red, and if VIX is red, market would be green. And also we need to know that generally 1% of movement in VIX is equals to 0.3 to 0.5% in Nifty. So if VIX moves 4% up, Nifty would most probably come down almost 1.2 to 2% and vice versa. So now we have established how VIX affects the market. So we'll see at 9:45 a.m. if VIX is green or red. If VIX is green, we'll take trade in the money PE, and if VIX is red, we'll take trade in the money CE. So for taking a trade, choose any strike price with a premium of around 100 for Nifty, and for Bank Nifty, choose any strike price with a premium of around 300. Stop loss and target. For Nifty, stop loss would be 30 points and target would be 30 points as well. For Bank Nifty, stop loss would be 50 points and target would be 50 points as well. After first target achieved, trail your stop loss. Let's do a quick summary before moving to the example. Uh, if VIX is green, market should be red, and will take a trade in the money PE for 30 points. And if VIX is red, market should be green and will take a trade in the money CE for 30 points as well. Remember, we should not be taking a trade before 9:45 a.m. because by the 9:45 a.m. the market trend is already set. Now let's move on to the examples. We are looking at the most recent example of VIX in action. At 9:45 a.m. on 1st October 2020, VIX was hugely down. So as I said earlier, if VIX is red, we would be taking a trade in the money CE, and if VIX is green, we would be taking a trade in the money PE. So here it is established by 9:45 that VIX is red and market is also green. So we should be taking a trade in the money CE. Let's say we take a trade in the money CE in Nifty at 9:45. As you can see, market never came down. It just gave us 30 points very easily in the money CE. And if we look at the Bank Nifty at 9:45, this is the 9:45 candle. So it will give 50 points very easily. So that's the power of VIX. It is very simple. We don't need to look at any charts. We just need to have a look if market is if VIX is green or red, and market is green or red, and based on that we will be taking a trade in the money CE or in the money PE. So I really hope now you have understood how to take trade based on VIX strategy. If you still have any kind of question, leave down a comment and we'll get back to you with an answer. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and tell us what you think about this VIX strategy. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get regularly updates about our new strategies. And for now, goodbye, take care and love you all.